Ooh. Talking about. Yeah. Let's start it off.
The crowd shows.
What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video. My name is Tamaria. If you're new to my channel, make sure you smack that like, comment, and subscribe button. If you're coming back, welcome back, y'all. Today, as y'all can tell from this video, I got a new car. Is it this one? Is it this one? Get my baby. Ooh. Ooh. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is gonna be kind of a vlog. I'm in California right now, y'all, and I'm up here with my friend. We supposed to be doing something later. I gotta go pick up the homeboy. I'm gonna give y'all a little car tour because this car is beautiful. And I did clickbait, y'all. This is the first and last time I'm clickbaiting y'all. But y'all, look. I'm gonna just give y'all a little car tour because, like, this joint is beautiful. Like, I'm not even a car person, y'all, so I don't really know about cars. But y'all see the lights? This is not my car. Just driving it today. I'm super excited because I never drove it before. Y'all gonna watch me drive it and look like a cool girl. This doesn't want to see me be great. I don't even know how to freaking drive this. Where's the, okay. Y'all, I don't even know where the gears at. Where are the gears in this car? Yeah, it gotta be this thingy. Yep, I'm gonna break something. Okay, never mind. It's not touchscreen? No. Okay, not spinny thingy. Okay, y'all, yeah, I'm confused. Let's call somebody and see how he drives this car. Cause me, I don't know. I don't want to ask. I just want to know. Like, where? I just pressed something. This is not gonna work. Okay, but I learned how to turn on the lights in the back seat. Oh, fancy. Give me some light, give me some light. So I figured out how to put it in drive. Look, so you press this thingy right here and it shows up right here, and then you press the button to put it in park and it shows it right there. Okay, so I'm about to connect my phone to the aux so we can listen to some music, even though y'all can't listen to music because I ain't trying to get copyrighted. But I gotta go get an SD card reader so that I can edit these videos for y'all and post them. So this is like a button to do something. This is the volume button right here to control the music. This is how I press and control stuff up here, y'all. I did not know that, but I just figured it out. I had to call someone, get some help. The temperature stuff right here. I'm about to open the sunroof. Oh shit. Yo, why is it jerking? Oh my gosh. Yo.
Stay in the middle lane.
Yo, I cannot drive. I'm jerking. This is not okay. You need to stay out my way. Trigger!
Trigger, it ain't not okay. I'm gonna love you.
It takes some finesse.
Okay, y'all. I don't know if y'all can hear me, but my lashes about to fall off. They're wildin'. I want my baby to have your eyes. I just got here, putting the car in park. Ooh, your girl's out here. I drove this car all the way over here. Y'all, I really really love this car. And I think I done changed my dream car like 100 times. But I'm pretty sure it's like a Mercedes AMG. I don't even know. I told you I don't know nothing about cars, but this car is so freaking beautiful. Like, oh, I can't even turn on the light. I forgot I got the thing open. No, I'm hungry though. I'm ready to get from right here in this little alleyway because I'm scared somebody gonna come run up on me. And I ain't gonna have no choice but to give them the car. I'm gonna be like, hey, you got it. Like, I don't want no problems. I might actually be sleepy. I might have jet lag. That might be what it is, because y'all, I literally was up all yesterday, and then until I got on my flight, I took like a little nap because I kept waking up and it was still like 3 hours left. Tamila went with her daddy. Y'all, so we're at the bowling alley. We got the drunk bowl. Excited.
And she said they have like an $18 special, so it's limited bowling.
Yeah, so we only got an hour. I mean, what happened? Oh my gosh.
Why'd they only give out?
Y'all look. I'm the only one with the best points up here.
Sam's not good at bowling. She's not good at bowling.
What? You got 0.
Nigga, I'm bowling like a mermaid. You don't even
Like a mermaid? He said like a mermaid. I'm gonna let y'all see up close.
Oh my lord. Oh, she need a hit.
Spare, strike, 0-0. Everybody is terrible.
That was horrible.
And I'm a little late. My guy, Tone. Tone in the cut. Shot. Here he goes.
Look, Tam.
And here he goes. Right. Right.
That was funny.
Shot. Take y'all shot. What is y'all contemplating for? Wait, cheers. Tap. Shot. Y'all already took the shot. Ready, say go.
The crowd shows.
Y'all tapped at 11-11 and 111. Wow, that's my angel numbers for real. Y'all look, I beat them. The bowling alley just closed. I have 63, 47, 25, 37. I won. And I'm lit. Lit. Y'all, I'm about to beat him in air hockey.
Period. We got Tone over here. It's your girl Sarah, you know, and we back with a video. She about to beat his ass. Let's go. Yeah. Ready? Wait. Let's go.
You're cheating, bro.
Wait, I got you your own point.
Wait.
I had to set you up. I can't see it. I can't either.
Oh,
Come on, that's moving too fast.
I just want to say, Cham's not good at none of these sports.
He a hating ass nigga.
I'm not hating. No, she's good.
Bye.
She is decent.
No, she's bomb. That's what it is.
Motherfuckers sound like y'all playing with glass cups. Don't it sound like they playing with wine glasses? You can't do that.
I guess the wine glasses for me because it do sound like that though.
Y'all niggas they proposing a toast.
Tam, he beating you.
Proposing a toast.
Wow.
Yo, nah,
Coming in through with a clutch.
Yo, what's
Period. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about.
I beat myself, so therefore I still
I
won.
had buckets though.
I still won.
I had buckets.
And what do you have to say about that match? And this is
It was a good game. It was obviously it wasn't a good game, but it was a good game.
Don't show the sword too much. Y'all, I'm drunk. I drunk more than him.
Yo, wait.
We drunk a little bit.
Come on.
I gotta record them playing basketball, y'all. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Let's get it. She a true baller. Now, don't be sad when she really beats you though, because she a true baller at heart. That's all I'm just saying.
I got that.
He don't. Look, we gonna let her actions show it better than she can say it. How about that? We gonna let the actions show it better than she can say it, just like that. Let's go. Let's go. Wait. Oh, what you mean, bro? I'm excited. Woo! Get over here. Give me the ball. Let's go. I gotta show y'all. Hey, sorry. Ain't no way. Oh, the score. Y'all, I won. Now let's play it again. I won though.
How?
It's in a video proof. I played it twice on accident.
Still got like 30 points left.
We can come back, honestly. Thank you.
Y'all, I beat him in basketball.
No, we didn't see the score. Don't even jack that.
I beat him in basketball.
We didn't jack that. We didn't even see the score.
Yeah.
I got a picture.
Sarah, who won, Sarah?
She
It's on the camera. Hey, you're trying to fuck me up. Y'all, look. So.
Pam. She gotta teach us how to hit the
Oh yeah, she teaching me how to dance. Just make it. What? Okay, y'all. So, I'm not drunk. I'm a little lit, but yeah, I'm good to drive. We're about to go back to the house and chill and stuff. I don't know if this is gonna be the end of this vlog, but I might do this more than one day. What's good, YouTube? Driving a new car today. Another one. Ooh, that color. So, this is the inside. Boom, boom, bow. Still in that shit, but it has this. My battery is about to die, y'all, but last night I was too lit. Like, I was tripping, I was crossfaded, and I was having a good old time. After y'all seen, I think the last thing y'all seen was when we was about to leave the bowling alley, I think. But then we ended up going to my friend's house, and then we like continued to turn up or whatever, listen to music and chill. It was so fun. Then fell asleep. Like, I was really tripping. Like, fell asleep. My friend Sarah. Now we're eating. We got some hot dog on a stick. Okay. This is gonna be my first bite.
You didn't want no ketchup, no nothing? You don't want no ketchup. Sure don't want no ketchup.
If you have a dance battle, I'll play that too.
You have Instagram?
Yeah.
Get everything for sure.
You look, you gotta do the dance battle.
I got one right here.
Gotta do the dance battle. You don't even have to be good, and then you can clean our shoes. For everybody. Everybody in the mall.
You don't want to battle me?
I don't know how to dance.
Dance battle, let us know. Hey, yeah. Let's start it off.
That's your shoes off.
That's her. Okay. She's a dancer, that's why.
Professional dancer?
I'm not though. So you can dance battle me. We both could. Yeah, we both could look stupid.
I can turn the camera around. It don't even We both just don't, she don't know how to dance just like that.
We both.
So you might have a better chance with her than me.
Look, you don't know nobody in here. Nobody on YouTube.
Ain't nobody gonna judge
I'm
you.
willing to embarrass myself.
Well, you from the IE?
I'm from Atlanta.
Me too.
Yeah, I get what you're saying. I
You
get
can cut that
what
off.
you're
You can put
saying.
me on the vlog and shit, but just cut that part off.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm cool.
Got you.
Y'all just walking around and shit.
Yeah.
Fucking slow.
You probably want to know put him on your ass on my Instagram. Why? So your little girlfriend out here and don't know that you asking girls for Instagram.
He got a girlfriend. He got a girlfriend. He's
Definitely.
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 He's not gonna want to follow a girl. Come on now.
Hey.
He got a girlfriend.
Hey. I mean, maybe he don't. Maybe he
But
don't.
he
If
said
you watch this video, maybe you don't have a girlfriend. But you could have said like, oh, like she does YouTube. I wanted to see her Instagram. Like, she does business. Like, you made it a deal.
He made it a problem.
He made it a deal. Y'all, she's about to perform for everybody in the mall. Right here in the middle. Chicken noodle soup with a soda on the side. Chicken noodle soup. Chicken noodle soup. Chicken noodle soup. Let it rain. Let it rain. Let it rain. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it.
Club be gone, we put the album out, niggas got they leak on, not a
Dip on niggas.
spread it. Battle, best not basic, dig my time, you better not wait.
Hey y'all, so we left the mall. We're at the liquor store now. PG-13.
PG-13.
Wait, no, that's not PG. That's rated R.
Rated R.
If I drink apple juice.
So I got pineapple.
Bye, ladies.
Bye.
Stay beautiful.
Thank you.
Some of you guys are gonna have you.
One day. One day.
I want to be.
He said he wanna be. Oh my gosh. Okay, y'all. So we got our snacks and our drinks and our alcohol. And we're going back to the movies. So we had to go around. And I don't know why it took us so long. But the movie started at 4:15. But it's okay because it's only 4:20. We missed maybe the credits and a little bit of the beginning, but no, it's okay. And then our little bottle of whiskey. Ew, I hate saying that this is whiskey because that means that I drink whiskey. It say it up here too. Apple flavored whiskey.
Yeah. One my ID out. I hate apple flavored shit.
A big one. Yeah, I'm gonna drink like right here. That means Sarah gotta drink the rest.
Oh.
Y'all see my little juice? It's so cute. It makes me think of me. Oh, I am weak. Hold on, I feel like I'm about to fall backwards.
Stop him looking at me doing it though.
Cause we cute. Y'all look at this.
Show and ask how you can get credit for this movie. And to our millions of
Y'all, so
AMC
Halloween was
subscribers, a very
not till 10 o'clock at nighttime. So we're watching
You'll
Eternals.
enjoy your savings, rewards, and exclusive benefits. If you're not an AMC subscriber.
Y'all, so the movie is over. I did. I was about to book out like 5 times.
Slightly slow.
It was a good movie though. The part that I did see. The parts that I did see.
Hey now, say now. That was fun though.
For Christmas is you. Ooh, baby. It's
Just like that.
Burst.
They were funny for making that.
Fun. We had fun. We went to the movies, even though I fell asleep like 5 times. It was a good movie. I'm gonna end this vlog off here. I love y'all. Y'all got to meet my friend from Cali, Sarah.
I'll be back hopefully in December. That's my goal to come out
to
here.
Atlanta.
My first time at ATL.
Right. We're gonna get lit, we're gonna turn up. But that's the end of this video. I love y'all. Make sure y'all smack that like, comment, subscribe button. I'll see you on my next video.